Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your hotspot device name in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to change your device name, your hotspot device name, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot device name in a Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I will show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to change hotspot device name. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your hotspot setting, portable hotspot, tap here guys, and guys click on your setup portable hotspot setting, and guys click on your hotspot name and guys tap here. So example guys we will take here also my mobile, and guys tap here. So like that guys you can change your hotspot device name in your Xiaomi phone. So your hotspot device name will change in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot device name in a Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.